So we've just decided that we're going to go on a walk around Parramatta Lake today, waiting for the kids to get ready. And Lola's just yelled at me that she knows that I'm making a video.
That's a two-seated convertible. Yeah.
Here we are, we're at Parramatta Lake and we're about to go on a big bushwalk around the lake. The whole team's here. I think it's probably the stupidest thing I've ever done as a dad, is bring the dog and 3 kids by myself without Cam's help to a bushwalk. I'm sure we're all going to get eaten by snakes. Think we're going to get eaten by snakes?
Yes!
Hi guys.
Hi!
Just hanging out with Duck, bro. Just totally taming it up. We're gonna keep walking. The ducks are following us because I think that they think that we're gonna feed them some bread. It might be a bit bright when I turn around. Okay, so this is Parramatta Lake and we're about to walk the whole way around it. I don't know if you can see it behind me there. It's crazy. I don't know if it still does what it's supposed to do. And now we're headed up the hill. It pretty much gets us to the start of the bushwalk around Parra Lake. I mean, I know 50,000 people have actually done this, but I'm going to ring up Guinness after this to see how many people have herded a dog and 3 gooses around the bushwalking track. So, Addie, who do we ask if we don't know where to go?
The map.
Do we? Do you think we'll see Swiper today?
Yeah. I saw Swiper. Do you want me to get the camera?
You guys having fun?
Yes! Hi! Woo!
Say hi, YouTube!
Hi, YouTube!
I definitely have to admit it's pretty beautiful at Parramatta Lake. I can't help but think, and it's the same with Cam, we can't help but think that there's 1,000 dead bodies in the lake.
I can't help it.
It has a bit of an eerie vibe, like hanging rock sort of vibe.
I saw.
Yeah, Loss. Yes, Loss.
Be aware, though it's nature. Be aware, it will be nature.
Okay. As I was saying, Cam and I think that there's 1,000 dead bodies buried in Parramatta Lake somewhere. It's just got this weird, creepy, eerie feeling. So I have to keep looking down because it's treacherous. But you know, it is actually pretty beautiful. This is a pretty nice backdrop for a quick monologue.
I climb up here.
Monologue. Did you like my monologue, guys?
Yeah. No.
You didn't like my monologue, even though I said monologue. Can you guys give a quick monologue? Monologue. Monologue. What about you, Hairs? Hairs, you got a monologue for us? Just found this really cool mushroom. It's like super fluffy.
And it looks like a marshmallow.
And then we found this other kind of mushroom. There he is, the mushroom. What's your name, mushroom?
Mushroom head.
Is it?
Yeah.
And then there's the dog walking mushroom.
Hi.
We're hiding out in the cave. Suspiciously, the cave, and all these sorts of caves actually, they always have graffiti. Case in point. This would be a great place if you were waiting for the bus and it was raining, but there's no bus stops here. We're just at this cool creek crossing. I think we've got a little ways to go before we can actually cross the creek. It's like up there. Up there. I think my battery's about to run out on this camera and we're just at the creek crossing. So yeah, it's a pretty cool spot to stop for a snack. Morning tea time. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi Ada. Is this an okay bushwalk, guys?
Yes.
You having fun?
Yes.
No, don't be silly. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Was it good? Why?
I'm really good.
What about you? What, are you having fun? No? Your daddy carry you a lot of the way? Harry, are you having fun? Are you having fun, Lozzie?
Yeah.
I thought before you said that you wanted to have a bad day.
Choo-choo.
Ooh, I'm going to take Harry across a tiny little creek. And Poppy and Lola and Addie are just watching to see if we fall in the water. Come on, Harry. Across you go. Good boy. Across the bush, I just got yelled out at me by Poppy. Dad! Lola broke nature! That's bushwalking with family. Was it tricky?
No.
Was it easy for you?
Yeah.
We are on the home straight. There's probably only about 500 meters to go, if that, but it feels like we've got to walk back to Indonesia. I think Lola's taken on a flame of Mers. Not too sure. Anyway, we'll keep walking. No.
Whoa.
Come on. So we've just come to Parramatta Park after lunch just for a quick play. It's mental here, there's so many people here. This is like their new playground crazy thing, where they've got like a sand pit and all sorts of other crazy stuff for the kid to play on. Already the kids are like completely covered in sand, so yeah. There's some cool stuff here though. Where to? So we're just going to quickly walk up to the hospital to see Mum at work. Unanimously decided with a small bribe of lollies, but we're really close, so we'll just go there. You need to go to the toilet? Okay.